And the challenge is to support the drone connection back to the pilot who's controlling the drone. Using cellular connectivity allows us to take a drone which might normally be constrained to a 2-mile flight radius from its takeoff point to tens of miles and in future hundreds of miles. As we fly those drones on those cellular carriers, historically we've had to, on each mission, change multiple SIM cards. We've had to manage provisioning for those SIM cards. We've had to manage billing. And if you think about the 190 countries in the world that we can operate in, that becomes a very challenging administrative burden to manage all of those cellular networks. With TEAL and their eSIM technology, we're able to put one or several SIMs into a drone and operate that drone anywhere in the world, and we can manage the carrier that those eSIMs are connecting to remotely from any browser-based computer anywhere in the world.
What we give customers like Volatus is ultimate flexibility, ultimate control, so that they can keep their drones reliably connected at all times.